Welcome in computer class, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, Windows files and folders. Files and folders. First we will see file. File is a collection of information that is stored under one name is called a file. The information could be text, images, music, audio or videos. They are represented with icons to recognize them easily on computers. Files. Now you can see the different kind of the files on the screen. Music, picture, video, text document. It means the music file is containing the music, songs, the picture which containing images, whereas your video file containing the videos, and whereas your text document it containing the text. So these all files containing different kind of information. Now let us see what is a folder. A folder is a container where the files can be stored. For example, your bag is like your folder and all your books are like file. You're keeping your books in your bag. It means the files you're keeping in your folder. So all these files we can organize in your folder. So this is the difference between files and folders. So let us see now how we will move to our libraries where we can organize our all files and folders. Simply you click on the start button in the right panel, documents. Now it is the libraries window is open for you. Here libraries, where all the terms regarding the libraries. First one is the document, where all the document file you can keep. The second is the music, where the all music files we can keep. Pictures, the all images we can store, and the last is videos. In Windows, libraries is a feature that helps you to store and organize your files and folders. By default, there are the 4 libraries in Windows: Documents Library, Picture Library, Music Library, and Videos Library that you can see on the screen. The first one, Documents Library, it is used to store and organize the text files like Notepad, WordPad, Word documents, spreadsheet, presentation, etc. By default, all the files that you save, move or copy are stored in my Documents folder in the Documents Library. Next, Pictures Library, it is used to store and organize the pictures such as the photographs or the images from the camera, scanner or email. By default, all the pictures and that you saved, moved or copied are stored in the My Pictures folder in the Picture Library. Next is Music Library, it is used to store and organize music such as the songs that you pick from an audio CD or that you downloaded from the internet. By default, all music files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Music folders in a Music Library. It means all songs you will get in this Music Library. Videos Library, it is used to store and organize the videos such as the clips from your digital camera or a cam recorder or video files that you downloaded from the internet. Now we will learn how to open these libraries. First of all, you should click on Start button. In the right panel, there is a Documents. Click on the Documents. Now this is your libraries window. Here, Documents. Upside you can see the all folders. New folder, new folder 2, new folder 3. These all are the folders, and downside all these are the files. Components of the libraries window. One by one we'll see. Address bar. See, this is the address bar. Address bar, it's showing that now you are in a Documents library. Libraries, Documents. Downside, these are the menus. File menu, Edit, View, Tools, Help. Where is the mouse is moving, that is the navigation pane. And this is the file list. downside, now where is the mouse, that is the detail pane. It's showing the how many files are there. Now there is a 21 items are there in the libraries, including files and folders. So all this is about the libraries. Hope so children, you have understood difference between the files and folder. In the next class we are going to learn how to create a folder.